Zoho Docs is very similar to Google Docs. It's a place where you can keep all of your files and you can get to them from your PC, your mobile device at any time. Just like in Google, you can create folders and then you can have documents within those folders. As you can see here, we've got folders, we've got documents. You'll see all files unless you zone in on one particular folder and then you'll see what's in that folder. All right, so Zoho Docs is really smart. It can read files from Microsoft documents, so it can be Docs, MS Doc, it can be an Excel spreadsheet, it can be a PowerPoint, and it can still read it. So what it'll do is it'll translate it into Zoho's version. Zoho has Zoho Sheets, which is similar to an Excel spreadsheet. Zoho Writer is for documents, and then it has Zoho Show, which is for creating presentations just like PowerPoint. So let's say we wanted to upload a file that's a Microsoft document of some sort. Let's try that. All right, so we've got this here. What happens is we upload the file and then it'll give us this message that says convert documents to corresponding Zoho Docs format. You choose that and then you upload. Now, as you can see, the file extension here is .docx, but here, this is actually Zoho's version. So you can read in files, and then not only that, you can save them as a Word document or Excel spreadsheet. So let's go into this Zoho sheet and save it as a spreadsheet. We'll go to File, Download as, MS Excel worksheet, and here it is. Now I don't have Excel on my computer to open that, but it basically just took a Zoho sheet and translated it into an Excel spreadsheet. All right, so you can create document, spreadsheet, presentation, or folders from here, and you can also upload. Whatever folder you're on, when you click upload, it will go to that folder. Of course, you can move files, so if you were to upload a file into the wrong folder, just click on move. You have here, you can also create a folder here. You can share a document. You can use this as well to share a document. Add a task, download the file, or make a comment on the file. Now these folders and documents within these folders can be shared within your team. If there were documents shared with me, they would be listed here. Oh, there we go. So we have documents that are shared with me. And let's just go back to this. You can make a copy, trash it, and then you have more options where you can send it in an email, mark it as a favorite, you can check it out. If you need to do check in and check out so that multiple people aren't accessing the same file at the same time, you have that option. And you can see the revisions, add tags, and you can zip documents from here. You can export it into any of these formats, rename, and then view the properties. Here is where you can sync your Zoho Docs. I have Zoho on my PC. When I go to my PC, I have Zoho Docs here and it syncs. So every time I open my computer, it syncs with Zoho Docs and I can get to all of my files from here. Here is a link to get Zoho Docs for Windows. If you click on that, it will walk you through the installation. You can also do the same thing with WorkDrive. All right, just like most of the Zoho tools, you can still access Zoho Click from the bottom left corner. and you can go to your account from the top right corner. And that concludes Zoho Docs.